who is it? Its design concept is perfect, optimal, and robust. Its intelligent control takes all your desire into consideration. Its driving controls enable driver to take it easy. Its power reserve is far more than that needed. It can easily handle a slope of up to 30%. Its off-road capacity makes it drive on rugged terrains as smooth as on level roads. It is designed for convenient and fast job site transfer, safe and efficient. Its job site transfer efficiency is improved by 30%. It is compact and mobile and rapid to respond. All controls are realized by fingers. It can help you conquer difficulty, making all difficult works easy. It can challenge the limit and refresh your working height. It is the only wheeled crane in the world that is capable of installing wind turbines with hub heights of 140 meters. It is a legend and a partner that opens up business together with you. It is XCMG XCA1600 all-terrain crane. Working together with you, taking the lead in industry development.